Many who are also complaining about not eligible for the airdrop, for the Bloom airdrop. All right, so in this video we're going to be walking us through on how to apply for a dispute on not being eligible for the Bloom airdrop, all right, which is going to take the final snapshot on the June 7th. All right, and quickly in this video, if you know you've not you are not eligible for the airdrop due to not purchasing of meme points, all right, check my previous videos. You're going to see how to trade, how to purchase or get up to a minimum of 750 meme points up to 3000 meme points. All right, so we're going to click on it, then open. All right, so Bloom airdrop application form is here. We are right here. So we're going to do, so this is the email to sign into our Bloom airdrop. So what we're going to do is click on your Telegram username, my Telegram username. All right, so we're going to scroll down. So what we're going to do is scroll down, then it says, why do you think you are not a CBIL? So what is CBIL? CBIL simply means those who engage in bots and not being a genuine individual, all right, a genuine person. When you're doing going to doing something more fraudulent activities and something that does not tally with the the project. All right, so since I'm not a CBIL, all I have to do is, since I've already done purchase the main point and all that, I'm gonna paste this here. Please help look into this matter. Please help rectify my Bloom account to be eligible. Thank you. So all we're gonna do is click on, okay, right, so how many Bloom accounts do you have? I have one. How many accounts is your wallet connected to? One. So after submitting and doing all that, then we click on submit, and my response has been recorded. All right, so we'll wait for official announcement on the eligibility requirement. All right, so which I have passed and done all that. All right, so that's how it is. If you like the video, kindly like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and see you in my next video. Bye for now. All right, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Osak Did It X, and in this video we'll be talking about the Bloom airdrop eligibility check. All right, so just yesterday I acquired the 3000 main points from the Bloom trading bot, which whereby funding my Tonkeeper wallet with $2 and then going to the trading bot. All these details are already posted on the video which I uploaded just yesterday. Check the link on the description on the part 1 of how to be eligible for the airdrop, which also talk about how to trade the Bloom airdrop as simple as easy and as all that. So despite trading and getting 3000 main points, I was still not eligible for the airdrop despite acquiring it, because they said the minimum is 750. After doing that yesterday, I was still not eligible for it. So what I had to do was get to their Telegram group. All right, once I get to their Telegram, I went to the Bloom group, and then I click on the official appeal, all right, here, which you can see right here, and then open. Then I have to fill in this information, your Telegram username. You put your Telegram username, yeah, you can give space to this. And I said, why do you think you are not a CBIL? So any dispute you feel like you haven't done, all right, even if you've had the you've passed all the criteria and still not eligible, this is all you have to do. You can copy this and paste it here. Otherwise you can get from your own and put it or change some things. After doing that, how many Bloom? One. Yes, one. Even if you have to just put one, you can always go back to the second account and also file the same dispute. So when you do that, I submitted. The moment I submitted just yesterday, I did that. Then fast forward to today, which is 24 hours complete. Then I was given the Bloom my eligibility check, and I passed it. So am I eligible? Yes. So check if you are eligible. So you're eligible. So this is how you have to do it, and wait for 24 hours and you get eligible. If you like the video, kindly like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. If you don't understand, comment below. I'm going to respond to you as soon as possible.